Let me read the question. If anybody has any problem. First question, the solution of the linear equation 3x minus 10 is equal to 4y, 5x is equal to 24 plus 3y is option A, x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 6, x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 6, y is equal to 2. Question number 2, if 2 sin A minus B is equal to 2 cos A plus B is equal to 1, then the values of A and B are A is 45 degree, B is 30 degree, A is 30 degree, B is 45 degree, A is 45 degree, B is 25 degree, A is 45 degree, B is 15 degree. Then third question, the median of 34, 47, 41, 52, 53, 56, 35, 49, 55 and 42 is option A 46, B 47, C 48, D 50. The value of angle x for sine 90 degree minus 3x into cosec 42 degrees is equal to 1. Option A 14, B 15, C 16, D 17. Then fifth question, find the values of A and B if 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 is equal to A plus B root 6. Then A is minus 5, B is 2. A is minus 5, B is minus 2, A is 5, B is 2, A is 5, B is minus 2. So 5 questions take 2 minute time. After 2 minutes you have to give the response. And today whoever are present, everybody has to participate. Because this is revision. Revision, we want participation of each and every student. Yes, this is revision, we want participation of each and every student in the revision. We want participation of each and every student in the revision. Yes, clear. Four, 5 problem we have to cover. Some more problem we have to cover. Chalo, first one is over. Yes, first one is over. Chalo, send me the answer of first. Let me read. Jay Gandhi C, Anshu Patel C, Satish Patel C, Sarita Gupta C, Rishabh Bathani C, Raj Chawda C, Tanvi Patel C. Yes, 6 to 7 students. C answer. Aryan Patel C. Chalo, Aryan Patel has joined. C option. Yes, what about others? Arvina Prajapati, where you are? Today you are not participating. Gaurav Rajpurohit, lock option C. Chalo, Anushree Mishra C. Anushree Mishra C. Yes. Rudra Bagwe C. Yes. Preet Mehta C. Gurule, where you are today? Pratham Sethia C. Meet Rathod, you are also not participating today. Yes, News Sethia C. So all are giving the answer C. Let us check whether option C is correct. X is 6, Y is 2. X is 6, Y is 2. X is 6, so this we write 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. And this we write 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. Multiply this equation by equating coefficient method. Make coefficient of y equal, so multiply this by 3. 9x minus 12y is equal to 30. This equation by this coefficient of y by 4. 20x minus 12y is equal to 96. They have same sign, minus minus, so you have to subtract minus plus minus. So minus 11x is equal to minus 66. So x is equal to 6. When you put x is equal to 6, you will get y is equal to 2. So the correct option is x is equal to 6, y is equal to 2. Very good. So all of you give the correct answer. X is 6, Y is 2. X is 6 and Y is 2. X is 6 and Y is 2. So option C was the correct option. X is 6 and Y is 2. X is 6 and Y is 2. Okay. Sahil Purohit 9-25. Now send me the answer of second. 2 sin A minus B is equal to 2 cos A plus B is equal to 1. Find the value of A and B. Start sending me the answer. Chalo, second. Satish Patel D, Tanvi Patel D, Rishabh Gathani D, Jay Gandhi D, Anshul Patel D, Raj Chavda D, Sarita Gupta D, yes. Jainil Doshi D, Pratham Sethia D, Sahil Purohit D, Neil D, Anushri Mishra D, Karan Chauhan D, yes. Any more student? So everybody is giving the answer D. Sahil Purohit, okay. 9th B, C and D are same. Chalo, let me make it. A is 5 and B is minus 2. B is minus 2. So for second, everybody is giving the answer D. That is A is 45 and B is 15. So let us see. 2 sin A minus B into 2 cos A plus B is equal to 1. So this I have told you, A is equal to B is equal to C, means A is equal to C, B is equal to C. So you will get 2 sin A plus A minus B is equal to 1 and 2 cos A plus B is equal to 1. Okay. So you will get sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, cos A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. Sin of which angle is 1 by 2? 30 degree. A minus B is 30 degree. And cos of which angle is 1 by 2? 60 degree. A plus B is 60 degree. So when you will add B, B get cancelled. 2A is equal to 90 degree. That will give you A is equal to 45 degree. When you put the value of A and B in equation 1, you will get B is equal to 15 degree. So correct option is A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree. Option number D. So option number D is the correct option. Option number D is the correct option for second. Option number D, A is equal to 45 degree, B is equal to 15 degree. Chalo, send me the answer of third. Third one, Anshul Patel C, Tanvi Patel C, Satish Patel C, Jay Gandhi C, Rishabh Gathani C, Tiraj Gandhi C, Raj Chavda C, Sarita Gupta C, Sahil Purohit C, Anushri Mishra C, Krishna Ravaria C, Harjan Patel C. Yes. Any more? So everybody is giving the answer C. C means 48. C means 48. Okay. So first you will arrange the data in ascending order. So 34. Then 40, 34, then 35, ascending order, median, after 35, 41, after 41, 42, then 42, then 47, 49, 49, then 52, okay. 53, 55, 56. How many data is given? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, n is 10. 10 is even number, my dear. So median formula will be n by 2th term, that is 5th term. N by 2 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6th term, divided by 2. 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. 5th term is 47, sixth term is 49, 47 plus 49 divided by 2, that is 9 plus 7, 6, 96 divided by 2, and that is 48. So median is 48. Option number C was correct. So whenever it is median, you have to arrange the data in ascending order. If already the arrangement is given, no need to arrange the data. For mean, there is no compulsion to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. But for median, it is compulsory to arrange the data in ascending order first. Okay. Chalo, send me the answer of fourth. Satish Patel C, Anshul Patel C, Tirath Gandhi C, Raj Chavda C, Rushabh Gathani C, yes, Anushree Mishra C, Alex Sagar C, yes, Jai Gandhi, Arvina, today Arvina is not participating. Aryan Patel C, Om Dixit, Ayush Bane C, chalo, Ayush Bane has joined. Bhumi Patel C, Bhumi Patel has also joined. So everybody is giving the answer C. C means 16 degree. Let us see. Sin 90 degree minus 3x. Sin 90 degree minus 3x. Cosec I can write 1 upon sin. Cosec I can write 1 upon sin. Then cross multiplied, sin 42 get multiplied. Sin 90 degree minus 3x is equal to sin 42 degree. So comparing the angle, 42 degree is equal to 90 minus 3x. 90 minus 3x is 42. 90 minus 42 is 3x. So we get 48 is equal to 3x. 48 divided by 3 is equal to x. So 16 is equal to x. So the correct answer is 16. Which is your option number C? The correct answer is 16. Which is your option number C? Very good. Whoever are participating, everybody is giving the correct answer, but we want more participation because we have to take care of the whole class of A division and B division. Okay, so don't think that this year whatever you will score, even if the school may reopen, but board may take the average of 9th standard and 10th standard. So try to score good marks in 9th standard if you want your 10th standard percentage to be good. Chalo, send me the answer of fifth answer. Satish Patel B. Okay. Sarita Gupta B. Rushabh Gathani B. Tirath Gandhi B. Jai Gandhi B. Anshul Patel B. Anushree Mishra B. Aryan Patel B. Raj Chavda B. Alex Sagar, lock option B. Chalo. Tanvi Patel B. Tanvi Patel B. Karan Chauhan B. Yes, any more? Want to participate? Give the answer. Let us see. B means A is minus 5, B is minus 2. B. This option. A is minus 5, B is minus 2. Let us see. 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Rationalize the denominator. So that will be 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Upon denominator will be 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2, 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 into 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Multiply and divide by 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. So this will be A into A square. So 2 root 3 square. 2 root 3 square is 4 into 3, 12 plus 2 into 3, 12, 12 root 6. 3 root 2 square is 3 square, 9, 9 2 is 18. Upon A minus B into A plus B. 2 root 3 is 4 into 3, 12 minus 3 root 2 square is 18 is equal to A plus B root 6. 12 plus 18 is 13, 13 plus 12 root 6 upon minus 6 is equal to a plus b root 6. Now I have told you, whenever you have a plus b divided by c, you can write a by c plus b by c. You can divide each term of the numerator with denominator. So 30 divided by minus 6 plus 12 root 6 divided by minus 6. A plus b root 6. 6 5s are 30, so this is minus 5. 6 2s are 12, minus 2. So plus into minus minus, minus 2 root 6 is equal to a plus b root 6. Now comparing the coefficient, a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to minus 2. So a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to minus 2 is your option number B. So B is the correct option. B is the correct option. Okay. So option number B is the correct option. Now let me give you, raise the level of the question. Let me raise the level of the question. This is sixth one. The difference between two positive numbers is 4. The difference between two positive number, the difference between two positive number is 4, and difference between their cubes, cubes means power 3, cubes is 316. Find first, find their product. Product means multiplication of two numbers. Let me give the option: A 12, B 14, C 21, D 41. Second, the sum of their squares. Squares means power 2. Option A 48, B 58, C 68, D 78. Okay, good. Then almost 7. Then evaluate part. Evaluate 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 divided by 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. Option A 1.1, B 1.2, C 1.3, D 0.3. And 8 questions. 8 question. Find the mean of. Okay, the mean value of 50, 43, 51, 54, 51, 54, 51, 54, 57 is the mean value of 50, 43, 51, 54, 57 is option A 50, B 51, C 54, D 52. One more question, 9th question. 6 minutes are there, we can discuss. Chalo, 6 minutes are there, we will discuss up to 8. Chalo, send me the answer of 6th. 6th first. Diya product. Satish Patel C, Anshul Patel C, Daivik C, Sarita Gupta C, Pratham Sethia C, Rishabh Bhattani C, Arvina Prajapati C, Amit Jain C, Jay Gandhi C, Raj Chavda C, Anushri Mishra C, Amit Jain C, Alex Sagar C, Rishabh Bhattani C. Okay. So everybody is giving the answer C. C means 21. Option C means 21. Let us check, verify. The difference between two numbers is 4. Means x minus y is 4. You can take two numbers, x minus y, x and y. So x minus y is given 4. And the difference between their cubes, x cube minus y cube, is 216, is 316. Find their product. So you can use the formula, x cube minus y cube is x minus y whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. X cube minus y cube is 316. Yes, this is given 316. This is given 316 is equal to x minus y is 4. 4 cube 64 plus 3xy into 4. So 316 minus 64 is equal to 12xy. 6 minus 4 2. 252 divided by 12 is equal to xy. So 12 2s are 24, 21. 21 is equal to xy. So product is xy. Now send me the answer of second one. 6 seconds. Daivik B, Satish Patel B, Anshu Patel B, Satish Patel B, Rishabh Bhattani B. Okay. Yes, Raj Chavda, where is your answer? Sarita Gupta B, Raj Chavda B, Jay Gandhi B, Aryan Patel B. B means 58. Find sum of their square. So xy we have got x 21. So find sum of their square. Find sum of their square means x square plus y square. So you will consider x minus y whole square. That is x square plus y square minus 2xy. X minus y we know 4. 4 square is 16. X square plus y square minus 2 into xy. Xy is 21. So 16 is equal to x square plus y square minus 42. Take 42 on that side. 16 plus 42 is equal to x square plus y square. 16 plus 42 is 58. 52 is sum of their square. So option number B was correct answer. 58. Okay, very good. All of you are giving very accurate answer. 58. Chalo, send me the answer of 7th. Satish Patel C, Daivik C, Anshu Patel C, Rishabh Bhattani C, Raj Chavda C, Harshad Jadhav C, Tanvi Patel C, Jay Gandhi C, Anushri Mishra C, Karan Chauhan C. Yes. Anybody else want to give the answer? Tanvi Patel, where is your answer? Om Dikshit is not there today. Om Dikshit. Om Dikshit, Arvina Prajapati, they are not participating today. Yeah. So majority are giving the answer C, 1.3. Whenever you have this type of problem, you consider one number as A as 0.8, B as 0.5. Then A into A cube plus B into B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square. Now use the formula A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square upon A square minus AB plus B square. Now numerator get cancelled with denominator. What is left? A plus B. What is A? 0.8. What is B? 0.5. That will be 1.3. So correct answer is option number C, 1.3. Chalo. Send me the answer of D. Satish Patel B. B means 51. Okay. Aryan Patel B. Anshu Patel B. Raj Chawda B. Devik B. Jay Gandhi B. Rishabh Gathani B. Yes, where are other students? Anushri Mishra B. Where are other students? So those name I am calling, definitely they will get full marks in internal because they are showing active participation. Okay, so we take care of the student who actively participate. So this name I am calling, chalo, Karan Chauhan B, Tanvi Patel B, chalo, Tanvi has given the answer B, Ravina Chaudhary B, okay. So while filling the marks, when we read the name of the student, we come to know they have participated actively. Let us give them benefit of internal. Abhishek Chauhan B. Yes. Active participation is must. Now the mean value of 50 plus 43. So let us add 50 plus 43 plus 51 plus 54 plus 57. Let us add 7 plus 4, 11 plus 12 plus 3, 15. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25, 255. Total is 255. This is sum of how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide this sum by total number of observations by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So the 51, the mean value is 51. Which is your option number B. Option number B, 51. Okay. Now, before we complete our period, one instruction I would like to give. For examination MCQ, you know everything. But for subjective paper, 12 questions will be there. But what you have to do, whichever answer you will write, all the answers you have to make single PDF. And that you have to upload in question number 1, single PDF. Okay, all the answers single PDF should be uploaded in question number 1. Is it clear, my dear? Yes? So single PDF should be uploaded. Not for each question you will not upload the answer. Single PDF. Yes, clear? So now we stop here. Tomorrow you must be going to school, I think. So tomorrow we will not have revision period, I think. But tomorrow, my dear, if PDF is very much big, not accumulating in one question, you can make 2 PDF maximum. Okay. So that we question number 1 or maximum question number 1 and 2, not more than that. Okay. Okay. Bye everybody. Tomorrow also you will visit school. Tomorrow you can go school and see your school also.